Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping Chrome use right now. Every new browse can overwrite recoverable traces. Next, make sure you have admin access and a separate USB or another machine to store recovered data. If possible, enable or prepare file history or time machine, or set up a disk image utility to capture the drive sector by sector. Once done, create a read-only disk image of the profile folder so you don't alter timestamps, and then locate the Chrome user data path to target recovery. You'll now perform the core recovery. Open the disk image and inspect the Chrome profile folder, focusing on history, local storage, cache, and cookies. Use an SQLite viewer to open history and deleted flagged entries. Run a forensic scan with bulk extractor or commercial tools to carve deleted files. If entries are missing, run file carving tools like PhotoRec or Recuva against the image to recover deleted SQLite segments. Also check DNS cache and router logs to corroborate timeline. You finish by reconstructing a usable timeline. Merge carved SQLite fragments carefully and rebuild indexes, exporting results to CSV for searchability. Then cross-reference recovered entries with Google Account My Activity and any synced Chrome devices. This often fills gaps. Make sure to preserve original images and work on copies only. If carved data is corrupt or missing, check Windows Shadow Copies, Mac OS snapshots, or consider a professional data recovery service. Remember that acting quickly increases your chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.